A Walmart app update can cause problems like crashes, loading errors, login issues, or features not working correctly, because the app may need refreshed data, updated permissions, or a clean reinstall. By the end of this video, you'll know the steps to fix Walmart when an update breaks the app, and how to get features working again. Start by checking if another Walmart update is available. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android, search for Walmart, and install any pending update. Developers often release follow-up updates after fixing app problems. Next, completely close the Walmart app and reopen it. A fresh restart can clear temporary issues that happen after an app update. If the app keeps freezing or loading incorrectly, restart your phone. Restarting refreshes system processes and can fix problems caused by a recent app update. You should also check your internet connection. Walmart features like product search, store information, pickup options, and account access require a stable connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test whether the connection is the issue. If you use Android, clear the Walmart app cache. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Walmart, go to Storage, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may have become corrupted after the update. If you use an iPhone, reinstalling the Walmart app is the closest equivalent fix. Delete the app, download it again from the App Store, and sign back into your account. Before reinstalling, make sure you remember your Walmart account login details. You may need your email address, password, or account verification information to sign back in. Check your phone permissions after the update. App updates can sometimes reset access settings. Open your phone settings and confirm Walmart has the permissions it needs, such as location access for store-related features. If Walmart still does not work, check whether other users are reporting similar problems. A temporary service issue can affect app features even when your phone settings are correct. Avoid downloading Walmart from unofficial websites. Use only the official Walmart app from the App Store or Google Play Store to protect your account. To recap, update Walmart again if available, restart the app and phone, clear the cache on Android, reinstall the app if needed, and check your permissions. Your next step is to open your App Store and confirm you have the latest Walmart version installed. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other app troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.